Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to review a new camera which is DJI Osmo Pocket. Now I have already unboxed it, but we'll do it again. अभी ऐसे जैसे दिख रहा है ऐसे ही आता है. Normally it's just a hard thermocol box with a photo of Osmo Pocket and Osmo Pocket return and DJI branding with all the specs and necessary information at the back. So let's unbox it. Wow. Now this is our gadget, the DJI Osmo Pocket. Look at it. And the cover, when we open it, we get two types of dock, strings and manuals. Keep it aside. So let's start this. Whoa, it's so good. There are different modes: motion lapse, panorama, time lapse, video, photo. Here there are gallery. We have to insert a memory card, which I have already done. This settings, brightness. This is the dock where you can attach your C-type or either of the lightning cable like this, and then you can easily connect it with your iPhone or your any Android phone which is compatible with C-type. We'll have a small of the comparison with this DSLR. Now this is iPhone 6s. This is DJI Osmo Pocket, and this is iPhone 4s. So you can see, you can even say that iPhone 6s is slightly bigger than Osmo Pocket because it is the same size of iPhone 4s. So this is DJI Osmo Pocket, so small, so handy and easy to vlog. Now this footage is from my DJI Osmo Pocket and the sound is recording from its internal mic. Now I'll not talk more about the specs and everything because it's obviously not a tech channel, but it's just my curiosity to unbox all the things, and a good YouTuber never misses a content. So I did it. Now let's check all the footages which I took from this Osmo Pocket. Let's go.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream